How to clear credentials on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After we scroll down and tap on more security settings, now scroll down and tap on clear credentials. This will remove all certificates, so tap on OK. Next, we enter the PIN to confirm, then tap on continued. And that's it, the credential storage has been cleared. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the main settings page, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.